Okay.
Hello, hi. We've already started.
I decided we're gonna get this video rolling. Sorry.
Your phone's about to die.
My phone's gonna die, so we're gonna get this going.
Okay, here we go.
Good afternoon, morning,
evening.
Whenever you're watching this
Howdy.
video. Howdy?
Howdy.
Are we from like
Howdy,
Texas
y'all?
or something?
Oh my gosh, they make fun of me all the time because I say y'all.
I
They
learned
make
to
fun
say
of me.
y'all. And I'm not a y'all person. I'm from Alaska, y'all. Come on.
Moving on, we will be able to construct a word problem from a given equation by breaking down the equation and defining the variables, and you know what we should add? And constant. Can you add that?
And constant
Yeah.
in my terrible handwriting.
No, it's beautiful. You guys give her a round of applause. All right.
Yeah, she only says that because we're on video.
That's right. That's right. It's all lies.
Oh, better be in your journal.
Oh yeah, go get your journal. Oh, every
Again, every day.
Every day.
Oh, come on, guys. Get it out. Open it up. Pause the video. Bye.
Okay, here we go.
So we're going to create the word problem. Wait, what?
We have to create the word problem. So
But-
we're gonna just do all the writing, and here's the equation.
Oh my goodness, my phone ran out of storage. We had to start that over. Start in the middle?
I thought we were gonna have to start all over again. I'm really
I
glad
did
that
too.
we didn't have to.
Ooh, it's a good thing we know how to merge two videos together.
Okay, here we go. So yes, back to writing an equation.
Writing a scenario?
Oh yeah,
We have an equation. I don't know what you're trying to do.
writing the equation would be really easy. It would just be
Yeah.
1/2 x plus 2 equals 10. Done. Boom.
Yes, we wrote the equation.
Finished
We're
the video.
amazing.
Whoop. Yes, we just high
Woo.
five.
Yes.
Okay, but no, we're kidding. We actually have to write the
We have to write the scenario.
Okay, so here we go.
So we've got 1/2 x plus 2 equals 10. What do we want our variable to represent?
I say, let's see. Let's go ahead and say,
Are you doing anything fun this weekend, Miss Green?
no,
You're not going to like a carnival or anything this weekend?
no.
Wouldn't you love to go to a carnival or something?
Oh,
this
yes, carnival. Let's pretend I'm going to a
weekend?
carnival.
Okay, Miss Green's going to a carnival this weekend. That's what I was trying to get her to say. She wasn't playing with me here.
Okay, so our x is going to be our variable, and we're going to go ahead and say that that represents the one of my favorite games that I like to play.
So x is going to represent games. Okay.
Okay, and then our 2, that's our constant. It's not going to change. It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter what I do here. That's not going to change. So 2 is my constant, and we'll go ahead and call that the admission to the carnival.
So admission.
2 is our admission.
Admission fee. Okay.
So that means I'm going to multiply the number of games I play times half. Half a dollar, maybe?
Yeah, half a dollar totally works because
Yeah, let's
half
do
a
that.
dollar, 50 cents.
Yeah.
We can do that.
Yeah,
So
let's do that.
if we have half a dollar per games plus the $2, what's the $10?
The challenge, that's going to be how much I spent that night.
Okay, so how much I spent?
That's my total spent.
So, Miss Green is going to the carnival. Did I totally forget the R in your name? Woo.
Miss Green.
Going to the carnival.
And she has $10 to spend. Let's do that instead.
And she has $10 to spend.
That's right, because I'm a teacher and I'm broke.
Yes. $10.
And apparently I'm going by myself. Because I only have one admission fee.
Oh, you're not even going to take your kids? That's mean.
my kids.
So Miss Green's going to the carnival
Oh, you
and
know
she
what?
has $10
You know
to
what?
spend.
Chloe.
Chloe's going to the carnival.
At her school.
You mean Moose couldn't have gone to the carnival?
Okay, Moose! Moose is going to the doggy carnival. Moose
Okay.
is going
To
to
the dog carnival.
the doggy. Oh,
Doggy carnival.
you know what? We're going to make it hip. Dog-E carnival. Okay? And
She has $10 to spend.
That's right, because that's all Miss Rose gave her.
Yeah,
She's so
she's.
stingy.
I'm sorry, that dog. She spends too much money.
Okay, so, and then, okay, and we want to know that, so the admission fee is $2.
It costs $2 to get in.
And every game costs half a dollar.
Every treat costs $50.
Ooh, we're changing it up. I like that.
We had this planned before we started this video.
We're just changing it all up. But you know what? This is even better than our original one.
It is. Every treat costs $50.
How many treats can
How many treats did Moose eat?
buy?
Bye.
Well, she's probably going to eat them all, right?
She's gonna eat them all.
we're gonna
I don't know.
change that.
She's kind of picky.
Now notice how we're like changing it up, and that's That's a beautiful thing about writing your own scenario with equations is you can make it however funny, crazy, boring. You could, I mean, it's up to you guys. You make it however you want, but I mean,
made it fun.
It represents what we're doing. Moose is going to the doggy carnival, and she has $10 to spend. It costs $2 for her to get in. Every treat costs $1. How treats?
How many?
How many treats did she buy? Boom, done.
That's an equation. That's a scenario.
That's a scenario.
That was awesome. I love it.
Okay, next
one more.
one.
5x plus 3 equals 4x plus 10. My camera's going a little wonky. Okay.
Okay, so my girls get an allowance, but this is not their allowance. But let's go ahead and use this. Can we do that? Since we used your moose.
We were going to do a different one. We're changing it up again. We used moose on the last one. So your girls.
Yeah, we'll use my girls.
Yes.
Okay, so we're going to go ahead and say, first let's identify our variables.
Okay.
X, we're going to go ahead and say X is the number of chores.
Number of chores.
Right.
Number of
Okay,
chores.
and then we're going to go ahead and say that our constants are going to be an allowance.
Constant is allowance.
Right.
You only pay your children $3 allowance, one of them?
We're going to go ahead and say we're going to change it up a little bit right now.
okay.
So you just chill right there.
Okay.
Okay. So this is going to be, and earlier when we were actually writing down the equation from the scenario, I'm kind of going to do the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and say that this right here is Scarlett, and this over here is Chloe. Okay.
We did this on the last video, remember?
Okay, so I want to know, this is going to be my story problem. I want to know how many chores does Scarlett have to do if she gets paid $5 per chore and an additional $3 that she gets already per week for her allowance. Okay? I want to know at what point in time, or how many chores do they each have to do
To make the same amount of money.
to make the same amount of money? Let's say they want to buy the same toy and they each need, I don't know, $50. Who knows?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start writing that.
So, how do we want to start this?
Okay, go ahead and say Scarlett makes $3 a week.
I don't know if I spelled
Or
Scarlett.
earns.
Right.
Scarlett?
Scarlett earns.
Yeah, you told
Scarlett.
Scarlett?
I think it was Scarlett.
Oh my gosh. Scarlett earns $3 a week.
It's only right above it. Hey, I'm kind of like our students. They can't spell even when it's right above it.
Oh, I know. It's okay. It's because we're all human.
We
None of us-
are. We don't pay attention.
you were
Notice how I
perfect-
did it too.
I know, you were-
Scarlett earns $3 a week.
Plus an additional $5 per chore.
Plus, I can't write that either. An additional $5
Plus an additional $5 per good report card.
per good report
There
card.
you go. Oh, poor Chloe only gets one, but she gets $10.
Yes.
Okay, so then
Chloe.
Chloe earns.
Hey, I got that one spelled right.
There you go. Chloe earns $10 a week, plus an additional $4 for every good report card. And you guys, this is all fictional.
Yeah.
So we're just coming up with it on the fly. Notice how we're changing it
really
up.
does not go to the carnival. That would be way cool, though.
That would be way cool.
She'd yell at everyone there.
You know what? We should have a Wilkie doggy carnival.
Oh my gosh, Moose would love it.
Stuco, we need you to do something about that.
Come on, Stuco people.
Yeah.
Doggy carnival.
Our service project.
Oh, see, my husband laughs and tells Moose every day, you want to go to work with her? Oh, and Moose just stands at me and looks at me like, can I please?
I know.
Poor
Okay.
Moose. Okay, so $4 for every good report card.
At what point?
At what amount of report, or at what
Well, that doesn't make any sense, does it?
report card grade? Grades.
But that doesn't make sense now. We need to go back.
Should we stick with the chores?
Yeah, let's
Per
go back
chore.
to chores. Notice, once again, we tried making it different, but it just didn't work.
And that's
So we
okay.
have to go back to chores. So at what point,
Will they earn the same amount?
yes, at what amount of chores,
Do
they earn the same amount of money? Now, that would have been really great, the whole report card thing, but it didn't make sense. So we have to
Nope.
go back, and that's okay. This is what coming up with a scenario should look like.
I mean, notice how both of ours, we change things up like
And
all over the
that's-
place.
and that's okay.
That's okay. You guys want to hear something way cool? You're going to create scenarios tomorrow. You're going to create our quiz for Friday.
That's right. And
Or
you're going to
test?
come
Test
and
for Friday? Test. It was
test.
a test.
That's right, the test. So, and this is what it's going to look like. We'll go ahead and call it a rough draft.
A rough draft, yeah.
You'll neatly write it. You'll show us exactly. And it's really not very hard. It's just, I try to come up with fun, crazy scenarios, and you're going to want to do the same thing because your brain just works so hard trying to come up with some fun stuff. Because I could have done something really simple and boring. I could have used that same marathon problem from the day before.
We thought about it, and then we decided that was boring.
I didn't think of it. Groves did.
Okay, fine. I thought about it.
She's boring. She's boring. But anyway, okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. We'll talk more about it tomorrow.
Bye.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait.
Oh, my goodness. Okay, now we're really done. Bye.